Good afternoon, good day, good morning, good evening, good night. Shalom, shikamo, wagwan, namaste. Subaling, my people, depending on your time zone. I'm here at the site, guys. I'm here at the site, and I just want to see how things are doing, how things are happening here. I'm here, the stones have really reduced, as you can see. And see, these stones have really reduced. And even the ballast, I didn't know we finished this. Yeah. Yeah, here. Dixon.
Yes.
Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. So ballast imeenda wapi? Are you now through with the work of the ballast? Hii ballast. Ama bado mnatumia? Are you still using them?
Yeah.
Ballast?
Yeah.
Ama imeisha sasa?
Iko kidogo.
Pale pa kutumia? Bado iko kidogo? So this will be enough, more than enough, eh? Okay. So guys, our gate is like, as you can see, and you remember yesterday we were receiving these tubes special for the windows, and yeah, tubes special for the windows, and the sand was added. You can see this is for plaster, special for plastering the house. So many metals, but they are for the windows and the doors for the whole of this house. Yeah, that is how things are. Now we want to go and see what has been happening on the other sphere as well, in wing B and wing A, especially the corridors. That's what we want to go and see. So stay tuned. See how things are, guys. Yeah, things are like this. That's this red wire here is special for transferring electricity to that side, because they are welding from up there. That's where they are welding from. And so this wire here is special for that. You can see our doors are coming out very well. Our doors are here. Everything is turning out very well. Yeah, so next week I think it will be time for fixing them, fixing the windows and the doors as well. So yeah, that is how things are, guys. So our lower house is, as you can see, and then the staircase now has covering, as you can see. It's running that way. We shall have a glass running here. There shall be a glass. Yeah, guys. See? There shall be a glass. Either blue or green running. Yeah? There. So you can see how the sand is being used. It's like that. All these cement bags are being used to transport the sand. They're using this to transport the sand upstairs for the plastering to continue. So you can see this is the house that had to be put here, because we had to put upper house here, and there are two houses just like the upper ones, because the first contractor did not provide proper way of a vehicle coming in and can do the reverse and all that. So it was only fair that we come up, we put it. It would be useless if we don't put upper house, because it's going to be used for parking. Yeah, so the parking, one day we shall create parking here in that place there. Yeah, as for now it remains like that. So let us just go up and see. You remember the stairs? I told you that we shall adjust them, and this is now how it's coming out. Yeah, like that. This is the structure for it. And so we just stay tuned for what is going to happen here. So now at least we can walk like this without a lot of problems as earlier on. Yeah, so this is how this corridor looks like this. It looks like that. And when you are here, you come from the stairs, you branch that way, or you branch this way, and or you continue going to your house. And this is where the window shall be. Here, the glass window, straight one running, yeah. And so it's going to be beautiful, guys. This place is going to be very, very beautiful. And yeah, you see, that is how the stairs now coming out. And then we shall have a rail here, not very high, rail this side and that side. And yeah, but for down it will remain like that. I'm telling you, this place is going to be beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then here you can see here they've swept, and more windows are here because when it started raining, they had to come and start doing them from inside. So we have them here. These ones have been welded inside here because of the rains, yeah. Then here we have more doors right here. They've been welded from inside here, yeah. Even the ventilation is already put, yeah. And the goose wire for mosquitoes not to come in. Yeah, so that is how things are, guys. Things are like that. Yeah. This is good. This is good. This is going to be the kitchen. This is the kitchen. And of course, this is a sitting room or the lounge. And this one is the bedroom. Now things are coming out clearly. They are now showing clearly. This will be the washroom. And yeah, this is how it is. Yeah, this is first floor. All these ones, we are going to sieve this and use the sand inside. No wastage, guys, no wastage. So this is house number 2 on first floor, wing B. First floor, wing B. And this is a sitting room for here. And then you come to the washroom. Washroom shall be that one there. And here we shall have the kitchen right here. And this corridor right there. Kitchen and corridor. And then this is a bedroom. Bedroom is here. Quite spacious. We shall have a wardrobe there. Here we shall amend here. This shall be cut. And so there are 2 windows in this bedroom. I wish it could just be 1 window. Oh, supposed to be. Maybe this one should be closed. I don't know what. But anyway, it's okay for lighting. Yeah, so kitchen is like this. And it has its corridor right there. And yeah, just like this. And the hummingbirds right there. So the cleaning is what I'm bringing to you, the way it has been cleaned, ready for plastering and all that. This is the window for the washroom for wing B2, no, wing B3 and wing B4 right there. Here they'll have to do something here. I don't know why it was done like this. Why was it done this way? I don't understand. But the engineer will tell me why they had to remove the stones. I don't know why they removed the stones. He will explain one of these days. Yeah. So here we are like this. We are like this. Yeah. So I think there will be enough light coming from here and from there as well for this corridor. Yeah. So the staircase is being amended so it will flow nicely. It is very steep, guys. See how steep this stair was. It was very steep. So that is the reason why all this is happening. So we continue moving. We go to this other floor. Yeah, the corridor looks like that. Cleaning hasn't happened, but it will happen. Yeah, and then we see how this is all cleaned up. And maybe we start with this one. So here plastering is taking place, and you can see up how it looks like. That is how the plaster has been done. Yeah, it's lined like that. And so it's the washroom they haven't done. The bedroom has been done. That is how it looks like. Looks like that. Yeah, looks like that. And then kitchen is like that. Yeah. So these are the improvements so far. These are the improvements. The washroom, the plaster has been done. It's dark, but it's been done. It's like that. And kitchen, the plaster on the shuttering, guys, has been done like that. And the corridor as well, here like that. And then the provision for the electricity is done right there. So we continue, and this is the sitting room for this particular house, and the plastering has been done as well. So what is left is for the electricity person to come and put the channels, the channels for that, and then we shall be good. Shall be good. So here is the bedroom, first bedroom here. It should have been the sitting room, but it can't because of that corridor going to the other house. So that's why we changed this side so that this can be the bedroom. And that is how it looks like. The plastering on the shutter looks like that. So they are ready with the sand to start plastering all this after the electricity person has done his bit. Yeah, for now they are just doing the shutter, plastering the shutters all through. So now here you see this. Yeah, this is part of reinforcing and reducing the steepness of the stairs. So the landing comes there, and then we start adding more so that we just move without any problem. The steepness should not hinder our walking. Yeah, once that is done, there'll be no stiffness. And so the cleaning, the other side, we've not done the plastering yet. It's just the cleaning that was taking place. So they've already cleaned like this. Plastering will start taking place, and this is how things are, guys. Things are like this. So this is the washroom, this is the bedroom, and yeah. So this is what was done today. Cleaning and plastering. Yeah, this side is like this. This is a ladder they are using at one point to remove the black polythene in readiness for the plastering. Yeah, so this is how things are, guys, and this was just for cleaning only. So this is how it happened, and all this shall be made into use. All this shall be made into use. Yeah. We are wasting nothing. Nothing. We are wasting nothing. So the staircase, as you can see. So that is how it is. But we are going to do what? We are going to reduce the steepness. And that is why that place has been done like that. It's been floored. So here, you can see the veranda. The rail looks nice, beautiful. Yeah. So this other side cleaning hasn't taken place yet. It has not yet taken place. And here is like this, as you can see. Yeah, it's like this. Yeah, I'm wondering why this bit should slice it, because it will mean putting a lot of mortar when you are doing the plastering. So something should be done there. I've talked to them on Monday. Yeah, so that place is special for the pipes, and there's a way now it has to be done. Yeah, there. Otherwise, the works look good. Let's just go and see now if anything was done on the other side. So that is how it looks. That place looks like that. That gap there will have grill, a nice one, touching onto the staircase like that. And so even if you are in that bathroom, you will be able to see the light will still shine across. This other side, the stones will be coming up a bit, and then a bit. This is a window for the washroom, so there's a way the contractor will have to work it out, because it can't be blocked. And again, we still need the stones to move a bit, maybe 2 or 3 lines, most likely 2, 1, and then the grill now to come and cover that. Yeah, that is how things are going to be. Yeah, so let us go and see this other side, how things are. This side cleaning hasn't taken place yet. Yeah, hasn't taken place, but you can see from here that this is the place I was telling you. Once we put the grill here, it will be a triangle, kind of. Very nice. And then you just walk to the house. You have a whole corridor here. This other person has, I think the door will be starting from like somewhere here, so that it opens this way. And yeah, we can't cross there. You can see how messy it is. And this long window coming from downstairs, from the ground, coming this way, it will come up to here, and then we shall have something to cover, just in case it rains. It doesn't rain on the tenants as they walk on the stairs. It should be like that. And so let's see this other side. This other side is like how, wow, you see how it has come out, guys. See how it has come out. Wow, this is nice. This is very, very nice. And then our rainwater coming in through there, coming in through here. This one, how is this? If it rains, it will be coming on the wrong place. It should be here, inside there. Yeah, like that. So that when it rains, it goes inside the tank, not side. They forgot to put it back. Yeah, so this other side, wow. This is how it's going to be, yeah? another grill here touching on that side to the end, so that security is good. Security is good, and no one can think of jumping the other side. So it has to be on point, yeah, for security. And yeah, this place looks nice, guys. Looks very nice. Woo! I love it. I love it. So this is how things are, guys. Hey, I love it. And here, even here has been swept, guys. This has been swept, and there's sand for plastering this studio. Nice. This is how it is. It is nice. And even this one, but they haven't collected the rubbish yet. Even here is ready for the work. I think this is what will happen on Monday. On Monday, they'll be on this one. To see this, our first studio here. This was the first one to be made. Yeah, this also has been prepared for that particular work. Wow. Yeah. So I love the arrangement. Yeah, this place should be swept so that we have everything put together. We have everything put together. So, this is nice. This is nice, guys. Wow. This is nice. Yeah. This is how the staircase looks like. This is how it looks like. Wow. Loving it. Loving it. This is the red wire I told you that has the currents for. This is used to for welding, because they do welding this up here as well, especially on the rails. So love it. Yeah. Wow. I love this. Wow. Nice. Yes. And then yeah, so now you've seen the progress up there. Nothing much. It's just the way you saw in the last video. Nothing has changed. So let us see. Let us go and see the view from outside. And see how it looks from outside. Yeah. Otherwise, as I go down, you can also see, you can enjoy what you're seeing. See? This is how it is. The train is nearby, and so it has just come, or it's leaving. Yeah, so this is how things are, guys. This is how things are. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Hey, this one. Hey. Where? It's like Taveta Hill. Where? It's so steep. So now, let me start going down. Slowly by slowly. There's a plane passing, so you can hear the sound. We are on the line of the planes. They take route 111. Yeah. And so all our matatus and buses are also given that name, route 111. Route 111. So yeah, so now this is the one that is in the process of being fixed, and you can see it. Like that. And this side like this. And here it's like this. Yep. Yeah. So now you've seen, and that is how it looks like. That is how the place looks like. You see it? Yeah. Coming from down here, you go, and up there. Wow, looks good. Yeah, so we come that way. Let us now go and see the view from outside. Otherwise the building is as you can see it. Yeah, that. Wow, looks good. Yeah, we continue moving. So Dixon, me, I'm through. Yeah, now I'm going. Yes, have a good evening.
Same to you.
Okay. So guys, let us go and see the view from outside. So the stones are still here, and even this other side, and the timbers and everything. So we have material. It's the labor that now we have to check on the labor all the time. So this is the neighborhood. That is how it is. Yeah, it's the neighborhood. People come enjoying the environment this side, as you can see. Yeah, like that. So guys, you've seen, this is how our house looks like from this side. I love the grill. Woo. Simple and neat. Doesn't have a lot of decorations. Looks good. Yeah, you can see. Wow. Well, thank God for this. It is nice. Yeah. That is how the house looks like, guys. That is how it looks like. Yeah, looks like that. Once we put that window there, I think it will be very, very good. It will look very nice there. Flatties look beautiful, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So with that, guys, for today, being a Saturday, I want to thank God for his mercies. I want to thank God for the good health. I want to thank God even for the time, and even for the workers, that no one is sick, no one has injured himself here, and that everything has just been under God's control, and we thank him for that. With that, I want to bring this to a close. Thank you so much. Have a blessed evening. For those who are falling into the night, may the peace of God be with you. Bye, and thank you.